Ever heard the word Docker and wondered what it actually does? Don't worry, in the next 2 minutes, you'll know exactly what Docker is and why it's such a big deal in the tech world. Let's say you're a developer. You write code that works perfectly on your computer, but when you try to run it on someone else's machine, it breaks. Different settings, missing libraries, or wrong configurations. Sound familiar? That's where Docker comes in. Docker lets you package your application, along with everything it needs to run, into a thing called a container. Think of it like a portable box that includes your code, libraries, tools, and settings.
A container is a lightweight standalone unit of software. It runs the same, no matter where it's deployed, your laptop, a server, or the cloud. Unlike virtual machines, containers don't need an entire operating system. They share the host OS, making them super fast and efficient. Docker makes development faster, testing easier, and deployment more reliable. That's why it's a favorite in DevOps and used by companies like Netflix, Spotify, and PayPal. So next time you hear Docker, think of it as your app's travel box, delivering software anywhere without surprises. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on how to use Docker.